Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review Bosch company's cordless drill, professional cordless drill. So without any delay, let's unbox the device. So this is how the outer package looks like. There is company branding, images of the device, and some specification are shown in the box. I am already feeling like I am unboxing a gun. Well, this is also a gun, drilling gun, but I am talking about pistol. You know what, right? So when you open the box, there's another box like suitcase. Oh man, this looks cool like mafia dons holding suitcase with a gun. Well, there is some sort of instructions that you not to do with this item. Go through carefully with that. It's time to break the seal of my very own gun. Oh, wait, there's another seal on the right side of the suitcase. Let's unseal that. Here's the moment of truth. There are some user guides, warranty card are present in the suitcase. These are the warranty cards. User guide, professional guide. Go through that for instructions. As I told, this is a cordless device. You can charge the battery and put it to the device. This is how charger looks like. Let's see the drilling gun itself. So here's the cordless drilling gun. It is wrapped with cover, so you can see this feels very comfortable in hand, not very bulky. For the safety purpose, there's no charge in the battery out of the box. You have to charge the battery from the scratch. So this is how the driller looks, the 360 view. So you can see there are some buttons, tool holder, keyless check, torque presetting ring. Also you can change the direction of the rotation. So here's the battery, 12 volt 2.0 Ah Li-ion. I'm feeling like playing GTA 5 with this in my very own hand. So let's remove the battery. You can press on the both sides and pull down to remove the battery. So this is how the battery looks like. This is how the charger looks. It will connect like this. You can press. So this is how the battery with charger looks like. When the charger cord plugs in, it will show the green light. When the battery plugs to the charger like this, it will start to blink. It means it is charging. The battery is charging. Let it be charged for some time. In the meantime, I will unbox Bosch company's screwdriver set. This is how the package looks like. There's a 38 pieces of screwdriver set in the box. So just open the box and you can see there's a green color case. In early time I used this kind of pouch to store the CDs. Now you can store the screwdriver set. This is what you get in the box. It contains screwdrivers. These are the nut setters of different diameters. There's a velcro to attach the screws in the pouch. You can see there's a 7 types of nut setters. It contains the diameter of 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12 and 13 respectively. This is a screwdriver. It can act clockwise as well as counterclockwise. These are the different kinds of Allen keys. There are 4 types of Allen keys you can use, as well as there's a torch also provided in this pouch. I felt like the torch quality is not up to the mark. It feels like low quality. So there's no battery provided in the torch. That's why the torch is not turning on. But the quality is poor. This is the adapter for the nut setters. You can see these are all the different kinds of screwdriver bit that they provided. These are all the different kinds of bits. You can see there are plenty of them. You can push downwards from the tray and you are ready to access the screwed bits. So let's see how the screwdriver bits fits into the screwdriver. So just press the bit into the driver and you are ready to use. There is a switch that contains 3 stages. It can be adjustable to clockwise and counterclockwise. You can see it will rotate only left, either right or both side. So I will demonstrate on this. When you try to unscrew something, if you want to rotate the screw, let's turn the switch into turn clockwise only mode. After that, rotate the screwdriver into the screw and you don't have to pull backward. This is the advantages of this screwdriver. If you want to take the screwdriver off, just pull backward. This is how you can take off the screwdriver bit from the screwdriver. So let's back to the drilling gun. I charged about 15 minutes for now. Let's place a screwdriver bit. This is how you can place a bit into the driller. This is how it sets. Now plug the charger cord in. Just press upward and it will fit. So this is the switch that you can turn on and off. There is a LED light as well. I purchased this driller from Amazon for 3799 rupees Indian currency. These are the gear selector switch. I will give link to buy this in the description box below. So please check the description box. Obviously, if you want to buy. This is rotational direction switch. These are the torque presetting ring. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.